Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. First off, I wanted to wish everybody a happy Valentine's Day. I have a great project to share with you guys today. However, it is not Valentine's Day project. So I have two little boys. And my one son, I was looking to make him something to help him with numbers and counting. So I came up with these little, what do you call these? Tarot card? No. Flashcards, that's it. So I'm going to show you how I did these flashcards. So I am going to go and laminate these when I'm finished. I obviously didn't get a chance to do that right now, but super fun, you guys. If you guys have little kids, what a great way to use up your supplies and make something for them, which makes you happy. So I have little boys, and I was originally going to do the No Bones About It. I love this stamp set. Perfect for little boys. Problem I had was the images on here looked small, but then when you opened them up, the images were so much bigger, and I knew there was no ways I was going to fit 10 dinosaurs onto one card. So when you do this project, first thing you want to do is make sure you use stamps that are going to fit on here. And so the stamp set I did was A Good Day. Now I did double up on a few of them. I believe the trees were doubled and the birds. So I did double up again on the stamp, which is fine, not a big deal. So I'm going to show you how I did this. I grabbed a bunch of different color cardstocks. I wanted all different colors. And for these pieces here, this piece is cut at 5 1/4 by 4 inches, and then the Whisper White is cut at 3 3/4. What is it cut? What is it? Whisper White is cut at, don't have my ruler, 3 3/4 by 4. And I will have the measurements on my blog. I'm not 100% sure right now. I don't have my ruler. I was trying to get this project done. I was so excited. So, oh, here we go. I have one that's not mounted. Perfect. So that's 3 3/4 by 5. And this is 5 4 by 5 1/4. Okay, so that's going to make your layering piece. What I did was I grabbed my envelope punch board and I rounded all the corners. So I'm just going to do that. I hope everybody gets spoiled today for Valentine's Day. So I have my little stamp. I got the little rabbit. And I know this card is going to be card number 1, so I only have to stamp one little rabbit. Super cute. And then I did go ahead and do all the others. So I'm going to attach this to the card base. And again, I'm going to see, I messed up. I was like, ooh. Good thing cardstock is double-sided. So I went ahead and I die cut out some numbers. And this is from the Number of Years stamp set, and it does come with, it does come with the coordinating dies. So I do love this a lot. So that's what I used to die cut all my numbers. And now I'm just going to bring in a scrap piece of paper because I don't want glue on my surface. And I'm just going to attach these numbers to the back of the cards. Number 1. Like so. And again, like I say, I'm going to laminate these so they're nice and sturdy. So if my kids mess on them, they're not going to get ruined. Or if my son puts it in his mouth, it's not going to get ruined. So that is 3, 6, 9, 10. So this is 10. I hope you enjoyed today's project. And I really hope if you have little kids that you would give this a try. Just a fun way, you guys, to make something that you have for your kids out of your supplies. Oh, I did the wrong side. Look, I put adhesive on the wrong side. So I'm going to have to punch out another, die cut another 0. We don't like when that happens. 1, 7. Now, I'm not worrying that I'm not putting a lot of adhesive on because, like I say, these are going to be laminated and the lamination is going to make it all stick and hold together. So, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. And I really hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I hope you all get spoiled rotten, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care. How cute, you guys. Super cute. Very easy. Love it. Thank you so much for stopping by, you guys. Have a good day. Take care.